In this revision task, you are asked to produce a fully labelled diagram with annotations about a cell. I personally would start off by drawing a cell in the middle and annotating around it, showing and explaining particular features. So, organisms are composed of cells, and these structures have specific structures within them that allow them to carry out specific functions. Right, these structures are called organelles. Different organelles perform different functions within the cell. The nucleus is the largest organelle in the cell. It contains a dense structure called nucleolus and is surrounded by a nuclear envelope, which is a structure composed of two membranes separated by fluid, which contain a number of nuclear pores that allow relatively large molecules through. The nucleus contains nearly all of the cell's genetic material. The nucleolus creates ribonucleic acid and ribosomes, which then travel out of the nucleus through the nuclear pores into the cytoplasm, where they are involved in protein synthesis. The endoplasmic reticulum is found near the nucleus and is made up of a number of flattened sacs called cristae, which are continuous with the nuclear envelope. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is called rough because it's covered in lots of ribosomes. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum, however, does not have ribosomes on it. The rough transports proteins that are synthesized in the ribosomes, and the smooth synthesizes lipids. The Golgi apparatus is a stack of membrane-bound flattened sacs and are responsible for the modification of proteins from the endoplasmic reticulum. These proteins are then transported in vesicles around and out of the cell. Lysosomes are membrane-bound spherical sacs which contain digestive enzymes used to break down materials such as non-self microorganisms engulfed by phagocytes. The mitochondria are round double membrane-bound organelles responsible for aerobic respiration. Their inner membrane is folded inside to form a cristae, which are folded into the matrix, which is the central part of the mitochondrion. During aerobic respiration, ATP is produced in the mitochondria. Chloroplasts are responsible for photosynthesis. Chloroplasts contain two fluid-separated membranes, and the inner membrane is folded into a network of flattened sacs called thylakoids. These are stacked into grana. The thylakoids contain chlorophyll, which carry out the process of photosynthesis. Vacuoles are essentially larger vesicles, and they are formed by joining together many smaller vesicles. They are membrane-bound organelles which have no specific shape and contain water with a number of different compounds within it. Ribosomes are small spherical organelles composed of two subunits which can be found on the rough endoplasmic reticulum and also in the mitochondria and in the chloroplasts, etc. Ribosomes translate genetic information in the form of messenger RNA into protein. Hopefully this video should have helped you complete your daily revision task. Please subscribe so you can keep up to date with other videos to help with your daily revision tasks. You can follow me on Facebook or follow me on Twitter to help you keep up to date.